Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
파티 중인 한 집.
I'm on hold right now. They're trying to track down Arthur.
고등학교 과학교사인 댄은 연구원이라는 꿈을 이루기 위해 이직을 준비하고 있습니다.
I have leadership experience. I ran combat missions in Iraq.
하지만
You're a great candidate. The only thing you're missing is private sector experience.
이직은 쉽지 않았습니다.
We found someone else.
See these people?
그때 경기장 한복판 거대한 폭발이 일어나며 폭발 속에서 갑자기 사람들이 나타납니다.
Tapped in. The copy.
그리고 그들은
We are you. 30 years in the future.
믿기지 않는 이야기를 하기 시작합니다.
We are fighting a war. Our enemy is not human. In 11 months' time, all human beings in the future will be wiped from the face of the earth
이들이 이곳에 온 것은
unless you help us.
멸망을 막기 위함.
You
과연 이들에게
are our last hope.
무슨 일이 벌어진 걸까요? 영화 더 투모로우 시작합니다. 1년 뒤
12 months ago, we had no idea how those words would change everything about our daily life. Immediately, jump facilities were established around the globe to send the world's military into the future and help fight the white spikes. Since only 50% of the military are qualified to jump, civilians were needed to support the war effort. So, the world's leaders agreed to institute the first worldwide draft. But even with thousands of civilian soldiers being sent a week, the future global population is currently estimated to be less than 500,000.
하지만 여전히 상황은 절망적이었고
The anti-war movement continues to gain momentum.
그러한 상황 속
Talking about photosynthesis and the magic of chlorophyll.
댄은 여전히 학교를 다니고 있습니다.
I know you guys are speechless because it's so captivating.
그러나 수업이 제대로 이루어질 리 없었고
What's the point?
What's the point of what?
Anything? School, grades, college? It's all bullshit.
그 안에서도
There's one thing that the world needs right now. It's scientists.
과학이 세상을 구할 거라 믿고 있습니다.
We cannot stop innovating. So we need to focus up.
그때 댄 또한 징집 대상이 됩니다.
James Daniel Forrester Jr.
Yes.
그렇게
Who's just a test?
기초적인 검사가 진행되는데
Tight, probably. Oh, a seatbelt. Okay.
어쩐지 검사라기엔 이상한 과정.
What is this test? What are you testing?
그 기계는 미래의 댄을 살핀 뒤
You've been elevated to active 2 status.
갑자기 선발됩니다.
It says at 11:23 Eastern Time, October 13th, 2030, you'll be pronounced dead.
그리고
It says that I die in 7 years.
그에게는 7년의 시간이 주어지고
How do I die?
Can't share that information, sir.
But you know.
아무것도 알지 못한 채
Hold on a second. Can we just slow this down for just a second?
강제로
Hold on.
기계에 팔을 맡기고
One second.
시술을 받게 됩니다.
This device facilitates your jump to and from the future war.
댄은 순식간에 미래로
Any attempt to evade the draft or tamper with the device will result in your imprisonment or your spouse or dependent of legal age taking your place.
그것도 강제로
You have 24 hours to get your personal affairs in order and report for basic training.
군대로 돌아가게 됩니다.
See, you were a squad leader in the Army Special Ops Command in Iraq.
Yeah, 15 years ago.
Thank you for your service. Again.
아내 에이미 또한 이 사실을 알게 되고
Do you know how many of these guys come back? 30% of draftees return. I talk to them every day and they suffer so much post-trauma they can barely talk.
미래에 다녀온 사람들을 상담하고 있는 그녀는 사람들이 얼마나 고통스러워하는지 알기에
We're gonna run.
그 고통에서 벗어나고 싶어 합니다.
You have 24 hours. I don't know how to run from the government.
You know someone who does.
그리고 이를 위해 한 사람
I'm not asking him for a goddamn thing.
Do not ask for yourself. Ask for me. Ask for Mary.
댄이 아주 싫어하는 누군가의 도움이 필요했습니다.
Hello?
그 사람은 바로
What are you gonna shoot me?
I didn't recognize him.
오래전 인연을 끊은 댄의 아버지입니다.
C-series. That's sensor calibrated to your pulse. Fortunately,
댄의 아버지는 기계를 없앨 수 있는 능력이 있는
I know what you do here. A master's degree in engineering and a general disdain for the U.S. government.
this explains for this rich guy.
Yeah, I'm sure that's how you can afford a Jeep. That Desert Eagle. High roller.
숨어있는 공학계의 천재이자 권위자였죠. 그러나
Are you checking to see if I'm wearing a wire?
Yeah, the thought occurred to me. You come here surprise visit, talking about my distrust of the federal government and my no visible means of income. Yeah, that sounds like entrapment.
아들과의 사이는 최악이었습니다.
Why else would you come here, huh? You never wanted my help a day in your life.
What?
댄이 아버지를 혐오하는 것은
There were years. That's all we wanted from you was a little bit of help.
오래 묵은 감정이며
I could have used help. burying your wife.
어머니가 관련되어 있기에 더욱 그러했죠.
You have no idea what went on between your mother and me.
하지만
When I got back from Nam, I was in a very
아버지 제임스 또한
dark place.
그럴 수밖에 없던 사정이 있었습니다.
I couldn't control myself. I couldn't even recognize myself. But I knew I was dangerous. It would have been worse for you and your mom if I'd stayed.
You quit. Because you're a coward. You don't get a second chance.
그렇게 집으로 돌아오는 댄.
I don't know what's gonna happen to me if I go, but you and I both know what will happen to all of us if I stay.
그리고
7 days, I'll survive. I'm a pretty tough guy.
그곳에 가기로 결정합니다.
You have to tell her.
마지막으로 딸에게 향하죠.
So listen, Chick B, I gotta go on a trip. Be gone for about a week.
눈치 빠른 뮤리는
Got drafted.
아버지가 어디로 가는지 바로 알아챕니다.
I want you to know something. I will be back. And I love you, Chick.
You people, you all have something in common.
그렇게 다음 날
Whatever your background, you are now heroes.
가족을 떠나
It's the voice of your children, and they need you.
미래로 향하게 됩니다.
If the jump band attached to your arm determines that you are still clinically alive, you will automatically be jumped back from wherever you are, and your tour of duty will be complete. The screen on your jump band indicates deployment.
댄은 알포스에 소속되며
Guess we're together.
첫 번째 친구 찰리를 사귀게 됩니다.
Well, I was department chair at Georgia Tech. Have you noticed how all of us, or at least most of us, are like over 40?
Yeah. You're thinking that in order for the time jump to occur, we have to be dead in the time we're jumping to.
죽이 잘 맞는 그와 함께
You'll be joining your counterparts in 2051 at a fortified research facility.
훈련이 시작되죠.
Why don't we just jump back to earlier in the war?
The jump link doesn't work that way.
Jump link?
It's the temporal displacement device housed in a fortified location in the middle of the ocean.
Time only flows in one direction. It's like a river. The jump link placed 2 rafts on that river, 30 years apart.
Why can't we just build more rafts?
The jump link tech is held together with chewing gum and chicken wire. We've barely managed to make one very rudimentary wormhole. Now we can jump you to 2051, and we can jump you back. Period.
그날 밤
How about you? And you got a family?
예정과 다르게
What's going on? I thought we had 7 days.
The world doesn't end on a schedule.
훈련 없이 갑자기 미래로 가게 되고
Some of these guys are very green. Do they all need to go? Why can't somebody stay
The
here and train?
research facility is under attack. It's the last lab left studying the white spikes. If it's lost, the war is lost.
혼란스러운 상황 속
Commencing countdown protocol. 1 minute to jump.
타임머신이
Jump link will drop you 5 to 10 feet above the ground.
That should be fun.
작동됩니다.
1. Launch. Lieutenant, something's wrong with the upper coordinates. Should we abort?
그런데 예정된 장소가 아닌 전장의 한가운데에 떨어지고 운이 좋게 수영장과 마주하지만 그렇게 미래가 어떤 모습인지 확인하게 되죠.
Welcome to Miami.
게다가
Okay, Dan, listen up. I got imagery up of your team, and I see that you're a soldier, so I'm going to be real with you. A blanket bombardment has been ordered. Get me an ETA on that right now.
이제 곧 아무것도 남지 않게 될 이곳에서
My research team is stranded in a lab by your location, and they are surrounded by the enemy.
시간 안에 구조까지 해야 했습니다.
And since you have experience running CSAR, I need you to get my team out of there.
그리고
I need every able-bodied person on this rooftop to follow me.
군인이었던 댄이 지휘를 맡죠.
We need someone on point.
그 과정에서
You guys hustle up there. Look down the street. Tell me what you see. Okay? Go.
부족했던 훈련을 메우기 위해 직접 팀원들을 가르치는데
You're wasting your time training them to be soldiers. If you try to save your friends, you're gonna get eaten.
이미 세 번째 징집인 또 다른 팀장 도리언은 생각이 달랐죠.
Romeo Command, we're approaching the research facility from the southeast corner.
All right, proceed to the lab on 7.
그렇게 건물 안으로 진입하고
Dan, you should know the white spikes can smell blood from a mile away. Be careful.
하지만 구할 수 있는 사람은 없었죠.
No survivors.
All right, Dan, I'm going to need you to head to the row of biomedical freezers along the south wall in the lab.
이제 남은 건
The lab director's office is on your left. Get the hard drive
데이터를 챙기는 것.
Where are these blue ambulances?
along the south wall.
Got him.
All right, ready the extraction team. We need to get them out of there right now.
Yes,
Watch team fall back.
그와 동시에
These bombs are gonna drop in 6 minutes, and there's nothing I can do about it.
폭격팀이 움직이기 시작하고
Head to the loading dock at the back and take the rear stairwell.
Copy that.
이미 외계인이 들어왔을지도 모르는 상황. 신중하게 계단을 하나씩 내려가는데 그들의 앞에 외계인이 나타납니다. 총으로는 아무 소용없었고 힘은 상대도 되지 않았죠. 그렇게 동료 한 명을 잃고 괜히 시간을 끌려 합니다. 총이 통하지 않는다면 좀 더 원시적인 무기가 필요했죠. 그때 도리언의 도움을 받아 무사히 건물을 빠져나갑니다. 하지만
Left at the next intersection, you got white spikes closing in on you from the north and the south.
소리를 듣고 온 주변이 외계인으로 가득 차게 되죠.
Anybody hear me? Get those Humvees on site now.
누구보다 빠르게 이들을 데려갈 차가 도착하지만 그 순간 외계인이 한 발 더 빨랐습니다. 그와 동시에 폭탄을 실은 전투기가 다가오고
Get the hell out of there right now.
폭탄이 떨어지기 전에 벗어나야 하는 상황 속
Get out of there. Move now. We're working on it.
그때
We gotta go. No, we can't leave him.
그들을 구하려 하지만
God damn it, Dan. Get the hell out of there. Don't be command. Go. We got this.
결국 두 사람을 남겨두고 그 자리에 폭탄이 던져집니다. 그렇게 마이애미는 초토화되고 댄은 병원에서 깨어납니다. 찰리와 함께 깨어난 이곳은 전진기지가 있는 도미니카 공화국.
Where's everybody?
세 사람을 제외한 모두가
Should have kept going instead of jumping into that tunnel to save your friends.
폭발로 인해 목숨을 잃었습니다.
Nothing we do here matters.
No, that's where you're wrong. Nothing matters. What are you doing here?
도리언은 러시아로 가는 첫 파병에서 살아 돌아온 프로였고
Why you got that souvenir around your neck?
It's not a souvenir. It's a reminder.
그가 계속 미래에 오는 것은
I'll be dead in 6 months, and I'm gonna die the way I want to.
고향이 아닌 다른 곳에서
I'd rather die here than a slow death back home.
원하는 대로 죽고 싶었기 때문.
Dan Forrester.
그때
That's me.
Command wants to see you.
사령관에게 다시 불려가게 되는 댄.
Romeo Command? Believe we've met already? Dan Forrester. Sorry.
Forrester.
I'm not a colonel.
그런데
Excuse me. They're starting in 20, Colonel.
그녀의 성이 댄과 같았고
Forrester. That's funny. One R?
Just one hour.
Me too.
그녀가 누구인지
Where are you people from?
짐작이 가기 시작합니다.
Same place that you're from?
댄 또한 그녀가
Miri.
사랑하는 딸임을 알아보죠.
I'm Miri Forrester.
You got,
Old?
no, you look great. Yeah, I mean, just... I didn't know if you were alive.
Don't. Let's take a walk.
대령의 직함을 달고 있는 뮤리는
I always figured you would have went into science.
Our force is my creation. I'm the lead researcher.
아버지가 꿈꿨던 것처럼 생명공학 박사이기도 했습니다.
Cal State?
MIT.
그리고
If you need to understand something, this is the end.
뮤리는 미래에 희망이 없다고 생각하고 있습니다.
Sentimental. I didn't in any way bring you here because I wanted to spend time with my father. I brought you here for a reason.
그렇기 때문에
Well, what's the reason?
I'll tell you when you need to know.
댄에게 어떠한 역할을 맡기려 하고 있죠.
Do you want to see something really dangerous?
이에 더해
What is that? That's not what I saw in Miami.
No, the ones that you fought in Miami were the males. This is a female.
화이트 스파이크스를 보여줍니다.
They typically nest underground, and the males are fiercely protective. They would die to defend her. All they seem to care about is the survival of the species. The toxin kills the males just fine. It makes quite a mess of them, actually. But when we sent a team in to clean out the nests, we found dozens of dead males and her.
So the female survived the toxin, and now you want to find out why I didn't kill her?
In order to find out what can.
All right, listen up, everybody. Greenwood, this is Dan Forrester. He's going to be joining us for the extraction.
댄은 외계인의 암컷을 생포하는 일에 배치되죠.
Her physiology is the key to their extinction.
이 작전은
It's kind of our last hope.
미래에 대한 유일한 희망이기도 했습니다.
They're everywhere.
We are food, and they are hungry.
작전지로 이동하는 사이
You said that I die in 7 years.
Yeah, last time I saw you was the day that you died.
What happened?
가장 궁금한 것을 물어보는데
What happened before I died?
하지만
I think the less that we say to each other, the better.
뮤리는 아버지의 죽음에 대해 말하고 싶지 않았죠.
Ranger Team 1, Viper 5, coming topside.
곧 암컷이 있는 곳에 도착하는 헬기.
Fire team has her corner. She's in Team 1. She's fighting it, but she's feeling it.
이제 우리 안에 넣는 일만이 남았는데 그때 암컷의 저항이 강했고
All right, take it down and give me cover. We're going in.
Yeah, I need a gun.
You're staying in the kilo. You're up.
뮤리가 직접 안으로 들어갑니다. 모든 대원들이 암컷 하나에 당하고 있었고 나갈 곳을 막은 뒤 약점을 노리는데
Get ready. I'm about to piss her off.
그때 암컷을 속박하고 하지만 그와 동시에 외계인이 이곳에 몰려들기 시작하죠.
Stay in the helo!
그리고 댄 또한 구멍 안으로 들어가 암컷을 결박하는데 힘을 보탭니다. 그렇게 암컷을 가두는 데 성공합니다. 하지만 수컷들의 공격이 이어지고 댄은 무사히 뮤리와 함께 도망칩니다.
You put yourself in danger.
I need you to stay alive.
You're under attack. Sorry. I'm still your dad.
그리고
You know, I used to want to be like you.
지난번에 피했던 이야기를 나누게 되죠.
And then what? What happened?
뮤리가 말하지 못했던 이유는
Enlighten me. What happened?
You left us.
댄이 준 상처가 있었기 때문.
That nearly killed Mom, you know.
I know for a fact I would never leave you.
When I was 12, you guys separated. And then when I was 14, you divorced. You never seemed happy with your life. And then on my 16th, we got a call from the hospital. You were in a car accident. I was there in the ICU. You know, Mom had tried to help me separate from you, but I couldn't.
그렇게
I wanted you to hear me. I wanted you to
댄의 죽음은
fix it and save our family. I didn't want you to walk away. And then you were gone.
뮤리에게 아픔으로 남아 있습니다. 기지로 다시 돌아가는 두 사람.
Want to give me a hand?
감정은 뒤로 하고
For some reason, her body is much better at detoxifying it.
Wait, you just gotta figure out what she's using to attack the toxin.
And then we can kill them all.
암컷을 이용해 외계인을 박멸할 계획을 짜기 시작하죠.
The only problem is finding out what's stopping the toxin. It's going to run 1,000 tests. See if we can break down.
시간이 흘러
68%.
성공 여부가 눈앞에 놓이고
You know, there's another Sabbath coming up tomorrow.
That's when I leave.
댄이 돌아갈 시간도 다가옵니다.
Once you figure out this toxin, do you have a way of deploying it?
Well, I have a solution.
그와 함께
I want to help.
It's okay. You know, it's just kind of a one-person job anyway.
모든 것을 혼자 감당하려는 뮤리.
Brought me here for a reason. You told me. I know that I have some purpose. Tell me how I'm gonna help you.
댄은 그런 뮤리에게 도움을 주고 싶었고
If this toxin works, I need you to take it back.
뮤리는 계획을 이야기해 줍니다.
You have the resources and the ability to mass produce it in your time, and then you can stop this war from ever happening.
미래에서 벌어진 작전은 모두 과거에서 해결해야 했고
You're asking me to save my future, but then what? Leave you here to die?
미래를 위해 뮤리를 두고 가야만 했죠.
No, there's gotta be another way.
I've thought of everything, and this is the only way.
Why me?
And there's no one that I want to trust more.
그렇게
All right, Mary.
이번에는 약속을 지키기 위해
I'm coming back for you. And you and me, we're gonna save this world.
결심을 합니다. 그때
100% bond.
암컷의 울음소리와 함께
Oh shit! They breached the perimeter!
화이트 스파이크스가 몰려오기 시작합니다.
I need to get you to safety right now.
We have to kill her!
No, this is all the toxin we have. We cannot waste 8 minutes to jump.
이번 시간 이동에 모든 게 걸려 있기에
We're getting in the chopper. You can make the jump from the air.
뮤리는 댄을 꼭 보내야만 했습니다.
Have a working toxin. I want my chopper on the pad ready to fly. We have got to protect the jump link. This toxin has got to go back on the next jump.
We're almost there.
그런데 그때 뮤리가 부상을 입고 그와 동시에 기지가 무너지기 시작합니다. 그런데 뮤리는 이미 움직이기 힘든 상태였고
Sorry I said all those things to you.
댄에게 진심을 전합니다.
I shouldn't have said them. I was angry. And I didn't mean to hurt you.
It's okay.
I'm so happy I got to see you like this. How you were when I was a kid. This is how I remember you.
그리고
You have to take this.
미래를 아버지에게 맡기며
You gotta leave me.
그를 보내려 하죠.
We were never going to make it. You need to
never happens.
I love you, Dad.
그때 외계인이 두 사람을 발견하고
20 seconds until jump.
미래를 위해 그리고 가족을 위해 스스로 불길 속으로 뛰어듭니다. 그렇게 떨어지는 딸의 모습을 마지막으로 다시 과거로 돌아오는 댄.
Toxin. We need to mass produce this and send it back. It'll kill them all.
The jump link just went offline. We can't send anything back.
그런데
We can't travel to the future.
마지막 희망까지 무너져버린 상황이었죠.
I'm sorry. Charlie, you made it. I hid.
그렇게 댄은 미래에서 봤던 뮤리와
I made this for you.
다시 마주합니다.
You like it?
뮤리를 위해서라도 어떻게든 방법을 찾아야 했죠.
The first attack is in late summer in northern Russia,
Okay.
2048.
그리고
Just because they attacked in 2048 doesn't mean that's when they got here. What if they got here in 47 or 46? I mean, it's the middle of nowhere, Russia.
We wouldn't have found their ship
Because we're looking at the wrong year.
에이미의 도움으로 실마리를 잡아냅니다.
Dorian, there's still a chance that we can stop this war from ever happening. Told you it was all for nothing. It's too late for heroes, Forrester.
If I gotta save the world to save her, then I'm damn sure gonna do it.
Got a selfish dick doesn't help a guy save his kid, right?
You still got that claw?
그렇게 찰리의 도움을 받아 분석하죠.
But it's not sediment or blood. It's ash. It's volcanic ash. And it's not from Russia, it's from China.
So how does Chinese volcanic ash end up on an island in northern Russia?
You know any volcano experts?
답을 알아내기 위해
Am I in trouble?
화산 덕후인 댄의 학생 마틴을 찾아갑니다.
How would a creature who's only ever stepped foot in northern Russia get volcanic ash from China or Korea under its claws?
The Changbai volcano on the border of China and Korea erupted in 946 AD with the force of over 1,000 nuclear bombs. Today, you can still find that ash buried in ice.
Is there any way to pinpoint exactly where in Russia that ash would have landed?
Laptop.
마틴은 수상할 정도로 화산의 진심이었고
This is the largest glacier in Russia. Scientists doing deep drill experiments there found volcanic ash at a depth of 400 meters.
To get ash in the claws, I mean, they would have to dig through 1,000 years of ice.
괴물들이
They didn't dig down, they dug up.
That's why there's no sign of impact. They've been here the whole time.
오래전부터 빙하 밑에서 땅으로 올라온 생명체임을 알게 되죠.
They thawed out.
We have to get to Russia.
그런데
No! You're not going to Russia.
이들을 가로막는 것은 정부였습니다.
You want me to use taxpayer money to fund a special covert mission into a hostile sovereign nation led by a biology teacher.
나라의 도움을 받을 수 없다면
I mean, we need a plane and a pilot willing to commit an international felony, whatever that's called.
There may be a way.
온갖 비행기와 전투기를 소지하고 있는 아버지의 도움을 받아야 했습니다.
I need a plane.
Well, you know, they say kids never come by unless they need something.
I need your help.
아들의 진지한 모습에
I'll get my coat.
도움을 주기로 하죠.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, we made as much of the toxin as we could.
그렇게 러시아로 향하는 댄
Okay, guys. So we're looking for like geothermic anomalies.
모두 흩어져
We'll gain a good vantage point if we can get to the peak of the ice cap before sundown.
이상 현상이 감지되는 지점을 찾는데
Approach in the northwestern quadrant.
그때
Your gauge is acting up.
탐지할 수 없는 구간이 나타나고
Yeah. You sitting on a magnetic field or something?
This is just a giant block of ice.
그 밑에는
Anything like magnetically charged would be at least 1,000 feet down.
정체를 알 수 없는 거대한 무언가가 있음이 틀림없었죠.
I think we found your ice cube.
Going hot.
그렇게
Is that it?
밑으로 향하는 길을 뚫어버리고 그 속에 거대한 얼음 동굴로 들어가기 시작합니다.
So you're telling me all this is melting in 30 years?
1 degree is the difference between ice and water.
그렇게 곧 엄청난 크기의 우주선과 마주하게 되죠.
We go in there, there's a chance we don't come out. I feel like this is my opportunity to give her, give this world a second chance.
미래를 위해
Second chances are really hard to come by.
그리고 뮤리를 위해
Guess we're gonna cut that son of a bitch open and shoot anything that looks sideways at us.
이 우주선 안으로 들어가려 합니다.
Your secondary perimeter. If we don't come out and something else does, it cannot leave this cave. You understand?
Roger that.
모든 기능이 정지된 우주선 안.
Looks like we found our cockpit.
Those aren't white spikes.
처음 보는 외계인의 모습.
They didn't want to land here. This is a crash site.
That's no
게다가 부활을 기다리고 있는
white spikes.
수많은 화이트 스파이크스가 보입니다.
They're cargo.
Or weapons. Planet clearing weapons. It doesn't matter. When we're done with them, it'll be like they were never here at all.
그렇게 류리가 만들어낸 약을 주입하는데 효과가 있었죠. 그때 몇몇 개체가 깨어나는 움직임을 보이고 결국 전투가 시작됩니다.
Charlie, James, we got white spikes on the move!
Go! We'll get the ones in the ship.
Give me that C4. In case one of us gets in trouble, we gotta blow this thing manually, all right? No time.
그런데
Take this. Souvenir.
희생이 불가피한 상황.
Save your daughter.
댄에게 뒤를 맡기고
I go left, you go right. You got this. No one's hiding today. Charlie, Dad!
댄이 그곳을 빠져나간 사이
Holy shit! There's a whole colony down here!
We gotta blow the ship!
끝없이 몰려드는 적들 앞에
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die my way!
폭발을 성공합니다.
Dad! Charlie! One got away, though.
그런데
Big one. Red belly.
가장 중요한 암컷이 사라지고
Come on, look at you. Your hands are shaking. I'm fine. No, you're gonna be a liability out there. I need you to stay here. Stay with Charlie.
You don't have to babysit me. This is the one thing I'm good at.
아버지와 함께 추적을 이어갑니다.
Dad, I found something.
그때
Dad, he's on the move!
아버지에게 달려드는 암컷. 페이크였죠.
Surprise, dumbass.
몸부림치는 암컷에게 오토바이를 던져준 뒤 이제 암컷을 죽이는 것만 남았습니다.
She didn't like that.
그런데 그때 갑자기 모습을 숨긴 암컷.
Where the hell is she? Back to back.
곧
Bleeding, no.
Maybe she's down.
No, she ain't down.
최적의 기회를 노리던 암컷이
You stuck her, though. You got her, Dad.
두 사람을 위기로 몰아넣고 댄 그리고 아버지까지 한 방을 먹여 약을 주입하는데 성공합니다. 그런데 위기에 몰린 암컷 또한 생존을 위해 못할 것이 없었습니다. 그렇게 벼랑 끝에 몰린 댄은 자신을 희생하기 위해 유인을 시작하고 그 생각은 아버지도 하고 있었죠.
Sorry, son.
No, 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 Dad!
Sorry for everything.
하지만 이제 겨우 회복된 아버지와의 사이를 이대로 끝낼 수 없었습니다. 그리고 류리의 독을 제대로 먹이는데 성공하고 그렇게 세계의 멸망을 불러올 존재를 무사히 막아냅니다.
You tell it to die? Yeah. That worked. Why didn't you tell it sooner?
Yeah. Let's just take a little break.
Some incredible images coming out of Russia today.
댄은 가족에게 돌아갈 수 있었고
You found them?
Yeah, we found him.
뮤리를 지킬 수 있었죠.
I'd like you to meet your grandpa. I never told her about our 7 days together, nor how in a future that now will never happen. She changed me forever. I'll never leave this family because my best future, it turns out, was always right in front of me.
영화 더 투모로우워였습니다. 구독 한 번씩 부탁드리고 리뷰 마치겠습니다. 감사합니다.
누구냐 너?
OTT.
너는 계획이 다 있구나. 허위가 계속되면은 그게 권리인 줄 알아.
근데 또 손잡이를 어이라 그래요. 어이. 너를 돌리려고 하는데 손잡이가 빠졌네. 이런 상황을 어이가 없다 그래요.
어이? 어이가 없네 개새끼. 아가리 또 고자이마스.